What's up guys? Today we're working on the Miata, and as you can tell from the title, we're going to be working on a glove box that no longer opens even though it is unlocked. Real quick, I'm going to interrupt today's videos for today's sponsor, Shine Armor. They have a ton of amazing products, and personally they sent me out their glass cleaner that works really well. It's streak free, and I put 2 coats on my front windshield and it was water repellent like the bottle says it's supposed to be. Overall, it's a good product and I think you guys should check them out. Use my link down below and my code AI20 for 20% off. So I already got the old glove box latch taken out because everything I'm about to say and show would not really make a lot of sense unless you can see it. So here it is. So I'm gonna go and explain why your latch might not be working and a few things you can try before having to take it apart. So the first thing you should do is make sure it's unlocked. So unlocked is straight up and down, and locked is all the way to the right. So when it's locked, this moves and pushes this pin into the latch so it can't open. But if you don't hear the click and you just turn it, it's still locked and the key will still come out. So you have to make sure you hear that click. So the next thing to check, and this is what my issue was, is this right here is what holds it on to, what holds the glove box up. And when you pull this, it's supposed to go down, like on this new one, how this does. So on this old one, right here, if you guys can see it, it's broken and it's not going into that black plastic piece that goes down. So what you have to do is, a flathead screwdriver might work, but I have this little pick that has an angle. I'll get it in a second. And if you can see in there, you see that part that's broken, you're gonna have to stick your screwdriver in and pull down so this will release, and that's how you're able to get the glove box open if it's stuck. So I'm gonna go get that pick and show you guys. Something like this with just a little angle, so when you reach in there you can pull it down. But all you have to do is find it right in there. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but as you can see, now I can move that and it'll unlatch, and that's how you get off. And then it's just these 3 screws that are in the back, and it'll pop right out, and then you can replace it. I wanted to make sure before I told you guys, but to get this little plastic thing off, it's just these tabs, and then it'll look like this with that brass piece. So on this one, I wanted to verify before I showed you guys, and it went flying across the garage, so that's why it's already off. But then to get the lock out, you just take a screwdriver and push this in. I don't know if you saw that, I'll do it again. You push that copper piece in, and then it just pops right out. And then this will just pop right into the new one. Just like that. Now that the lock is in the new latch, you should be able to lock it. And it doesn't want to open. There we go. So we're gonna install this back in the glove box, and we'll have a working glove box again. All right, if you came just to watch how to replace the glove box latch, that's it for today's video.